Hello and happy Tuesday. Today I'm going to be talking about the magical, the wonderful Explore tool that you can find on Google Docs and Google Slides. And so I have my handy dandy presentation here, and let's pretend that students are doing some research. They're creating a presentation on Google Slides, and you want them to be able to do research right on the tab and not be able to have to go here and here and there and there and then who knows what they're going to research on Google and what images they're going to pull from Google Images with the watermark, and then you have to talk about copyright issues and what a drag. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the Explore tool on Google Slides and Docs. Here we go. So I'm going to click down at the bottom right where it says Explore when I hover my mouse over it. It looks like a little diamond and a little comment bubble, if you will. So I'm going to click on that. And then it pulls up a search tab right there in the slides. That's pretty awesome. So maybe I have my little blank slide here and I want to do some research on Shakespeare's Globe Theatre. As you can see, I'm working on a Midsummer Night's Dream unit. It is going to be fabulous and I'm so excited. So I'm going to look up the Globe Theatre. There we go. And so I typed that in, and now I have all these cool web results where I can click right in there and see the information. But what if students are making a presentation and you want them to insert images? And so I can click on images, and then I can add any of these images, and all of these are public domain. They're safe images. This is a safe search situation, so you know that students are doing appropriate things. So I am going to add this to my slide. Super easy. I'm just going to click and drag, and there it is. All I have to do is resize it. That is pretty fabulous. So students can absolutely do that. Maybe they're doing a research project on lions. I don't know. And so I can go and click lion, and then, here are all these really cool images. Drag and drop. Drag and drop. He's handsome. He's a handsome fella. So that is how I use Explore with Google Slides. If I go to a Google Doc, it's the same thing. So I can click on Explore and do my searching. So maybe my search is about, let's see. Let's go with fairies. Okay, maybe it's fairy tales. And so what I can do here is I can click on any of these resources to learn more about fairies, but I can also cite my sources. And so maybe I'm using information from, say, Britannica, because I can. And so I'm going to copy and paste this into my little essay here. There we go, paste. And what I can do is I can highlight that, and I can cite it. I can cite that. So here we go. I'm going to click on this little cite as footnote, and it creates a little footnote for me as well. Now, Google Docs is getting real smart. I love it. And I can click on, I'm going to move y'all so you can see. I can click on tools here and click on citations. And then I can add all my sources here, and it will create a bibliography for me. So how did I do that again? Let's say I have this sentence that I paraphrase from a source. I can click on tools up at the top left, and I can click on citations, and then I can add a source. And maybe it's a book source. Maybe it's an online source. If it's a website, I can put in all this information, and then it will create a bibliography for me. I think that's fabulous. So you don't have to send students to another website and all that jazz. You can do it all on Google Docs. So again, if I use the Explore tool, I can access any of these websites and I can cite them as a footnote. So again, I can go to dictionary.com, and here's that lovely little quote button, cite as footnote, and there we go. There's another footnote. I love how that works. Teach your students how to cite sources, even if they paraphrase, even if they put the words in their, or put the ideas in their own words, they still have to cite their sources. And so this is a great way to help students to understand that. All right, hope you're having a wonderful week, and I'll see you next Tech Tuesday.